Let me quickly walk you through the way that you use the BeReal mobile app. Welcome back to a new video on how to connect. BeReal is a simple platform or a simple social media which lets you post a picture and a selfie without having any other filters. So once you download the application, make sure you have created your account. If you do have an account, make sure you log in. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have friends inside of BeReal. You can head over to the friends section. And if you have not yet synced your contacts, make sure you do that in this section. This way you can start adding in people that you already know. The second way that you can add in other people is through the recommended friends list. If you don't yet see this list, make sure you search up some friends in the search tab. This way you're going to get recommendation of friends. You can just tap on the add option right here, and then you will send a friend request to the other person. Now once you have some friends over inside of BeReal, the second thing here what you can do is start to post. You can tap on the post a BeReal, which would be visible inside of friends of friends, or you can also tap this camera icon on the bottom. This way, first of all, your back camera will open up. Once you tap on this camera and take a picture, automatically the front camera also opens up and it will automatically take a picture. So first of all, BeReal takes a picture from the back camera, automatically switches and takes a picture from your selfie camera. You can tap on send and post this BeReal instantly. You can also head over to the chat section, and if you have some friends added in, you can talk to them through this section. There are a few settings that you can manage on your profile. All of your videos that have been posted will be visible in this section. You can also head over to the memories on the top right, which is the calendar icon, and view all of the videos that you've posted in the past. Also, you can add in your profile picture, a bio, and a location if you want. You can also head over to the settings and tap on audio and connect Spotify as well. This way you can add in music to your post inside of BeReal. So that is all for this video. That was a quick tutorial on the way how you use the BeReal mobile app. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.